Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to turn on dark mode on mobile YouTube very easily and quickly. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, be sure to write your comments after watching, and also subscribe to our channel. So, friends, let's get started. And here I'll show you everything step by step. So, first of all, you will need to open the YouTube app. After that, on the bottom right-hand side, click on your page. Then you'll need to click on the gear on the top right to go to Settings. And in the Settings, select General. Now go to this option right here, which is responsible for the modes that you're going to have on YouTube. And typically, here is the light mode enabled or the one that adjusts to your phone. And so watch the mode that's responsible for adjusting to your phone. The way it works is that when your device is on light mode, that's when YouTube will be in light mode. And when your device is on dark mode, then YouTube will be in dark mode. So it adapts. But if you want YouTube to always be in dark mode, then choose dark mode. As you can see, instantly YouTube switches. And after that, you can just exit YouTube without saving any changes. This is the way, friends, you can quickly and easily enable dark mode on YouTube Mobile on your device. Friends, please put your likes under this video and also be sure to write your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.